you guys waiting to come in? Huh? Come on. Hi, Morris. Yep, coming out and looking at that tree. It's a great view that way. I'm sure he'll be out there this weekend cleaning it up. It's 50 out here this morning. It's going to be 70 today. It's hot, dare I say. It's warm. It's very warm. Today's the day to catch Spot. He's not been coming until after 5 p.m. but I'll move this food to the cat hotel when they're done with it this morning, and you know, move Panther's food off the front porch, go out there, let him eat a few times, take it back in during the day so he doesn't, you know, Don's gonna get the crate down for me. I'll set it up, I would say probably by 2 p.m. and try to catch him, hopefully. Keep your fingers crossed. It super stresses me out when I have to try to catch one of these guys because, you know, I have an appointment. Although for community feral cats, they'll reschedule. They won't do that for homeowner people. They want you to have an appointment, show up for an appointment, not miss an appointment, not lose a slot. But for the community cats, they'll work with you. So. Good morning, Panther. Hey there, buddy. It's all warm out here today. You still gonna be on your heating pad anyway? Probably. There you go. Good morning. Hey there, sweetie. Hi. Oh, honey. It's a good girl. Got you chicken. Yep, I did. She got chicken for dinner last night too, right after I deboned it. That's when they like it the most, when it's sort of still evenly warm and moist. But I put it in broth in the morning to make it and warm it up a little bit, so it's not refrigerator cold. Or hot either. Someone was serious about their alcohol today. Never seen a rum bottle out here before. You know, usually it's malt beverages of various kinds. Beer. Flavored beer. Wow, they're loading up a pole to move it into place this morning. There were originally 6 poles. That's pole number 4. There's 2 more on the ground. Yeah, when I came back from Guardian Angel yesterday, the work crew was done. It was sort of raining, right? But the line marker guys, they were out here marking again. I checked the radar, and as dreary as it looks, there's nothing going to affect us on our walk this morning. Shouldn't be. I have a 98% confidence. Never be completely cocky though. I don't have on a jacket. I just have on long sleeves. I'm a smidge chilly, but I would have been burning up if I had my jacket on underneath my weight vest. And let's see, what's today? Today's Wednesday. Monday we walked this walk with the weight vests, and I ended up taking Tylenol Monday night because I had a lot of sore muscles. So I guess we haven't been doing this enough with the weight vest on. We need to do it. Weather and life interfered a little bit the first 2 weeks of January. And although we were active at the park and still getting out, it was not quite as much as typical. And I felt it when we did it. Well, instead of a midnight silver Y today, we've got a white 3. I'm hot and I'm going home and having an iced coffee.
All right.
Ice cubes, here I come. So they're back down there behind his house. That's where they're working today, not out here at the street, at least not yet.
Yeah.
It makes sense based on what Don had ascertained that they were going to do. Yeah. They got to get this wire up here going across this lot where they want to build moved, and yeah. I'm doing dinner prep, peeling and deveining shrimp, chopped up some green onions, got out some salmon to defrost. And we're going to have some chicken broth with sausage in it also. I just wanted to show you how happy everyone is because it's so warm. Oh my God, Marty's so cute when he's asleep. Try to get a picture of him. Yeah, super cute. The cushions are dry and the air and the breeze are warm. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes. I already sat with you and spent time with you, but I get it. More is always better. I get it. I do. It's a good boy. Well, it's a wrap for another day. The sun was just briefly out. We'll see. Guess it's 2 o'clock and time to go do some Lego. I'm done with bag 6 and I've dug back into the big box and got out bags 7. And I'm gonna do that. This was me trying to keep Stripe from coming onto the counter. He finally gave up and went somewhere else. I don't want him outside during the 4 to 6 o'clock hour when Spot might come along. So we have Spot. He is in the humane crate and he is continuing to eat, so we'll let him finish before we move him. I came out the door and Morris was up on the bench beside Tux. Here comes Don with Spot.
He's well fed.
Did he pee?
No, he's just really, really heavy.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, he's not skinny.
No, he's not.
Is he more than 14? Is he way more than Big Boy and Stripe?
I think so.
Really?
Yeah, I think what happened is she's 2-timing or 3 or 4-timing you.
Well, let's hope it's not a pregnant kitty. Because we really don't know anything about this cat's history, except for when we got a good look at him up close, he's got some scratches on his ear. Or her ear. But yeah, I mean, he's not...
Not a tiny...
Hi! Oops. All right, upstairs. Thankfully it's warmed up. We were really lucking out here because
Oops, sorry, cat.
Yeah, putting him upstairs overnight's the right answer. I gotta have him at the Saving Lives Spay Neuter Clinic not later than 8 a.m. 7:45 early, before our normal wake up time.
Yeah, she'll be back before you can get out of bed.
If you pee, it's okay. We're gonna cover you back up so it's not so scary. Okay? Hi, bud. Hi, Spot. Well, we've certainly seen angrier.
Oh, yeah.
Much angrier.
Yeah. Grumpy.
Yeah.
All time.
Hi. Yeah, Grumpy was the all-time. He tried to take Don out.
Oh,
he peed on Don while he moved. He was angry, grumpy, mad.
Okay, it was easy to come up with his name.
Yeah, we had a little scare this weekend. Somebody said they moved a kitty off of the side of the road that was white with brown spots, but probably 2 miles from the house, 1.5 miles.
Yeah.
Not likely it was Spot, and thankfully it wasn't Spot. I hated it was somebody else's kitty, but... All right, buddy, will you try to eat a little more food and just chill? I am through bag 7, and I'm stopping for the night. Most of the lower coaster is done. The loading area is what goes between these 2 red spots, so there's some more, you know, curve and a flat track or whatever that comes this way. The curve might stick out a little bit here, so I might have to move this a couple of pegs in this direction. We'll see. And because the picture I have of it does show it in this corner, but I don't know how wide the corner was. It might need to come over a bit. We'll see. And yeah, it's coming along nice. It's cool. It's fun. It's well designed. So that's about half of it. We'll see. I'm having a lot of fun. Don's going to go to the landfill and I'm going to ride with him. I don't want to... I'm trying actually not to finish it in, you know, record time. A couple bags a day for 15 bags. That's a week. You know, that's good. Plus I had, you know, a little bit with the base. So anyway. just so exciting.
It is. It's not raining and it's not cold. It's warm.
Well, that's true. Don was going to wait and go tomorrow because I was worried all that commotion out in the parking pad might keep Spot from coming up and going in the trap. But since we got Spot, no fuss, no muss. Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, really, y'all don't understand, because she would have been, every minute that would have went by, she'd have gotten more stressed.
Yeah, after 5 o'clock, I'd probably been looking out there every 5 minutes. And as it was today, I thought I heard a meow, but not from in the house. I thought for sure I was going to hear that trap when it sprung in the kitchen, but I didn't hear it. And I went and I looked and I'm like, wow, he's just in there already. And not a raccoon or a possum or one of my other cats, or... you don't understand. It's just really...
It was very, very convenient and very kind of him to just immediately get with the program.
Yeah. There goes Don with those 55 glass peach schnapps bottles that came off the side of the road, and the cans from our walk. And I told you we recycle it all the glass and all the aluminum. This is how warm it is. There's 16 guys out there on the basketball court playing, and they're also playing in the building tonight too.